Are you looking for the best portable blenders? Portable blenders have evolved from novelty gadgets to practical, on-the-go nutrition tools. They enable quick smoothies, protein shakes, and baby foods without tethering you to a counter, making them ideal for commuters, gym goers, travelers, and office workers. In this review, I evaluate 5 compact, battery-powered models across a price range of $19.99 to $50.
Product number 1. Ninja Blast Max. The Ninja BC251SL combines a detachable twist-and-go vessel with a 22-ounce capacity and Ninja Power Blast technology to deliver cord-free blending. It features 3 auto IQ programs, smoothie, crush, blend, and a dedicated power button to prevent accidental blends. The vessel is designed to detach from the motor base for on-the-go use and is marketed as dishwasher safe for easier maintenance. Built-in crush blades are designed to handle ice and frozen ingredients, and a battery life indicator helps manage charging cycles. The full charge time is about 3 hours, and the device is positioned as Ninja's more capable cordless option in this lineup. In practice, the 22-ounce vessel offers ample capacity for a personal serving plus a little extra for sharing, and the detachable design reduces bulk when tossed into a bag. Performance is solid for blended fruit smoothies and light ice crushing tasks, but users should expect slightly longer runtimes with dense frozen fruit or large ice cubes due to the 11.1-volt battery and blade efficiency. Cleaning is convenient via a top-rack dishwasher cycle or a one-blend self-clean with water and soap. The unit's weight is manageable at just over.
Product number 2. Ninja Blast Portable Blender BC151MB is Ninja's compact cordless option with an 18-ounce vessel, USB-C recharge, and an Auto IQ crush and smoothie suite, plus a manual blend mode for granular control. It emphasizes portability with a 20% larger capacity claim over some predecessors, and a built-in sip lid with a carry handle. The 7.4-volt system provides a balance between portability and performance, aiming to deliver smooth results on the go while maintaining Ninja's recognizable blade geometry and vortex design. Real-world use shows strong performance for ice crushing and frozen fruit when the vessel is properly filled and ingredients are pre-cut. The vessel detaches for travel, and the siplet allows drinking directly from the cup. The unit includes a 3-hour charging cycle and a battery life indicator. Cleaning is straightforward due to dishwasher-safe components, and the round-trip weight is.
Product number 3, Portable Blender Dual Mode GVT-KE, presents a dual-mode portable blender with an 18,000 RPM motor and a 20-ounce blending cup. It features both blend and pulse modes, 6 304 stainless steel blades, and a lightweight, ultra-portable form factor designed for travel, gym, or home use. The pink color and straightforward push-button control highlight simplicity and approachability, while the dual-mode operation caters to both quick pulses and continuous blends. In tests, the 18,000 RPM motor produces brisk ice and frozen fruit pulverization, delivering smooth shakes with a modest crema. The 6 stainless blades deliver decent performance for everyday smoothies, though blending very hard ingredients or large ice chunks can benefit from pre-cut produce. Cleaning is simple, but the base should not be submerged. Weighing about 1.3 pounds, its portability is strong. Product number 4. Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Ninja BC151BK is a black variant of the BC151 lineup, with a built-in sip lid, carry handle, and the Ninja Blast technology that creates a vortex for efficient blending. It has a single-speed control with separate power and blend buttons to reduce misfires. The 18-ounce vessel and cordless USB-C recharge provide a compact, travel-friendly experience similar to other Ninja cordless models, with a focus on ease of use and straightforward operation. In use, the device performs especially well for ice-crushed drinks and smooth shakes, leveraging the blast blade to maintain a consistent blend. The separate power and blend controls help avoid accidental activations, and the hinged carry handle adds convenience for commuting. Cleaning is aided by dishwasher-safe parts, and the 7.4-volt base provides a reliable, though not oversized, amount of blending power for daily use. The stainless.
Product number 5. Portable Blender
Hattie Room offers an ultra-portable personal blender with 6 stainless steel blades and a 380 milliliter capacity. It uses a magnetic safety switch to prevent operation unless the cup is properly attached and includes overheat protection for safety. The device runs on a built-in 2000 mAh battery with USB charging, emphasizing compact design and portability for travel, gym, and office use. Its standout feature is the magnetic safety system paired with a simple 2-button operation. In practice, the Hattie Room unit demonstrates quick blending for soft fruits and smoothies, provided ingredients are pre-cut and not overly dense. The magnetic safety switch adds a safety layer not always present in budget models, though battery life is modest. It can blend several servings per charge depending on ingredients. Cleaning is straightforward, and the compact footprint makes it easy to slip into a bag, though the 380 milliliter capacity means you'll blend in smaller batches. The price point at $19.99 makes